Hi everyone, this is Justin here at Geek of All Trades, and today I'm going to show you the quick and dirty way I use my 3D printer to fix my broken barbecue. So, recently I had a little windstorm and my barbecue blew over, and one of the welds that hold a crossbar for the legs, it broke. And the legs were all floppy. It was just not wanting to stand up straight. So I thought, what a perfect chance to use what I know about 3D printing to fix that. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you what I did in Fusion 360, what I designed to fix that bracket and repair it using what I had available. So we're going to switch on over now to, there we go, Fusion 360. I'm going to warn everyone right now, I am by no means a modeling expert. I'm barely consider myself a modeling beginner. But I knew enough to get by with what I needed. So what I did is I took off the existing bracket, which I do not have in front of me at the moment. But it's just, it just the little end piece, and I measured it out with my calipers. And I figured out the general dimensions, and then I took a piece of paper originally and I sketched out kind of a basic idea of what I was going to do. So what I'm going to show you now is what I did with that drawing. So I'm going to start a new component. I'm going to start off by just the basic making the original shape, which I needed 18 by 60. Alright, so that is the basic general shape that I'm working with. And then on the inside, I need to make another rectangle that is 29 by 16. By 29. Oh, nope. Like I said, I'm by no means any kind of expert. Anything you see me do here should not should not be duplicated in real life. Let's see. That'll need to come down. Nope, not that one. That one. Let's see. Like I said, quick, dirty way of doing it. Counting the squares. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 18. So I need to move it down a few more notches. Alright, that looks good. Close enough to me. I'll maybe have to fix that here in a minute. So that is the outer diameter of the bracket I need to make. And then I need to make another rectangle that is 2 millimeters smaller on all sides. And that'll be the inside diameter. Which is 14 by, hey, look at that. Happens to be that exact measurement of that inside. So what we got here is the basic shape we're looking for. So next thing I need to do is I need to add the circle that is going to go for the screw holes. So I'm just gonna, and I know I made those 8 millimeters in diameter. Alright, and here's where I'm going to start to, because those other ones I didn't measure out, but this I have measured out. And I need it to be a certain distance. So from that edge, I need it to be 10, and from this edge, 8. Right? No. I got those numbers backwards. 10. Apparently, I didn't do my math right on that one. This is why you should always double check your work. But so 10 and 9, and then I'll do another circle at the bottom. Like I said, this is quick and dirty. I lucked out when I made this, and I made it right the first go. Oh, come on. 10. What we're working with there is 9. So I was close and putting it. Alright, so we now have a basic shape of the bracket. So now what I need to do is I need to start extruding out these pieces. So I'm going to start with the base here. And I made that, I'm going to extrude it out 5 millimeters. That's what I did the first time around. So look, we got a little side view there. It's kind of what that looks like with the holes. Perfect. Alright, so now, hold on. We need to, there we go. Make the sketch visible again, that helps. So now we're going to extrude another body here. We're going to do that one, which I'm double checking some of my work here. I did 50. So I made that 50. And there we go. That is the simple, dirty, and quick way I made a bracket to fix my barbecue. So now what we're going to do is we're going to export this for 3D printing. So I'm going to select, you gotta make sure it's all selected. I was having problems with that my first go, so it's all selected. I'm not using one of their print utilities. Instead, I'm just going to save it as barbecue replacement part do. So I saved that, and here I'm going to put a video so you can watch the time lapse of it being made. Alright, so this is the part I was talking about. As you can see, it broke off. If you look at the other sides, they're welded in place, so I couldn't just reattach it. So that's where this came in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slide over the new bracket. Hopefully it fits. There we go. You know what helps? Helps when you slide the bracket on the right way the first try. So get it on there, get it flush. Alright, so now we're going to attach the screws. I'll do that one. And I'll do that one there. And it seems to be holding on real good. Make sure it's butted up all the way there, but I could have probably put a hole, drilled it through. I still might just drill a hole and put a bolt through so that stays on better, but it's pretty snug fit now the way it is. So let's go inside and I'll give you my final thoughts. Alright, so there we go. That's my quick and dirty way I fixed my barbecue using my 3D printer. I learned a little bit while I was doing it, that's for sure. Making the tolerances, trying to make sure everything's measured out. If you're wanting to build replacement parts or things like that, I highly suggest picking up some kind of caliber. It'll greatly help your work. That's for sure. It helped me a lot here. And so yeah, that's all I have to say for this one. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. if you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit that little notification button. You can see all the, you'll get notified anytime I do something new. You'll also find everywhere else I'm at: Facebook, Instagram, Patreon. I want to thank everyone so much for watching my videos. Anyone who lets the ads play, anyone who watches, I want to say thank you so much. And until next time, I'll see you later.